Good morning, children. Now we will learn our next cursive letter Z, capital one and the small one. See, these are the four lines: capital line, waistline, baseline, and tail line. For the capital letter Z, we should start from the second line, children. As we have written the letter X, isn't it? The half part of the X should be written here. Like X only, we should write here for the Z also, half of the X part. We should start from the second line, okay, and write like a half curve. Understood? First. Next, again, after writing like this, write one more curve, okay, and understood? After writing like this, again turn or write like a small loop, go up and touch the second line, children. This is a capital letter Z. See here, one more time. For the capital letter Z, first we should write the half part of the X, children. For the X, how we have written? Same way here also we should write. Understood? See here, first write, start from the second line. Write half curve. Again, after writing the half curve, now write here one more curve. Understood? Now here again, after writing one more curve, turn. You should touch here fourth line, children, for the letter Z. Understood? Now here, after touching the fourth line, here turn or write like a small loop, go up and touch the second line. This is the capital letter Z. Understood? Now see here, small letter Z, we should start from the third line. Understood? This is also a half part of the X, children. Same like X only, we should start the small Z also. Understood? Now after writing like this, now again turn one more curve. Understood? Now here again, here also we should touch the fourth line. Understood, children? Now here turn, go up and touch the second line. This is the small letter Z. See here, small letter one more time. We should start from which line I said? Third line. Understood? Half part of the X should be written here for the Z also in the starting. And again now one more curve. Understood? Now again here the second curve should touch the fourth line for both capital and the small. Now next here turn, go up and touch the second line. This is a small letter Z, children. Now see here both capital and the small. For the capital, from second line we should start. Okay, write like this. The half curve should come down, children, down this line. And now write one more curve, turn here. And the second curve also should touch the fourth line here. Understood, children? So here the first curve should come below the second line and the second curve should touch the fourth line. Now here turn, go up and touch the second line. This is a capital letter Z. For the small z, we should start from which line I said? Third line. Understood? Here also, first write one half curve. Now again one more half curve. Here the second half curve should touch the fourth line. Understood? Now again go up and touch the second line. This is a small letter Z, children. For the capital letter, we should start from which line? Second line. Write the half curve. And this half curve should come below the first line. Now here write one more curve. And the second curve should touch this time fourth line. Now here turn, go up and touch the second line. This is a capital letter Z. Now small z, we should start from the third line. Understood? Write first half curve. Now again another half curve. This second half curve should also touch for the small letter also fourth line. Now here turn, Go up and touch the second line. This is a small letter Z. Capital Z, small z. Understood, children? Practice this letter. Thank you.